The next one, which is number 4, it's Donita has 8 coins. She has quarters, dimes, and nickels. The total is $1. What are the coins? So go back to your scratch paper now. And we know that we have to come up to $1, which is equal to 100 cents. And there's 8 coins. I'm just going to go ahead and start a guess and check here. Let's say, for instance, we say 2 quarters. Quarters are each worth 25. So if I put down 2 quarters, how much is that? Good, that's 50 cents. So write down 2 quarters, 50 cents. And I don't know, I'm just going to say 4 dimes. I need to come up with 8 in all. So far I have 2 quarters, 4 dimes, that's 6. So 4 dimes, dimes are 10 cents each. So if I have 4 dimes, that's worth how much? 40 cents, good. So for our 2 quarters for 50, 4 dimes for 40, how many nickels do I need to get to the 8 total coins? I had 2 and 4, 6, so I need 2 more, 2 nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. 2 nickels is 10 cents. So now I have the 8 coins, 2 quarters, 4 dimes, 2 nickels. And if I add my totals, 50 cents plus 40 cents, that's 90 cents, plus the 2 nickels, 10 cents, gives me $1. Hey, look, this time I guessed and checked and I got it on the first time. So that's awesome. So here's the answer for this one. It's 2 quarters, 4 dimes, 2 nickels. Okay? 5. For lunch, Nadia bought 2 different items. She spent exactly 70 cents. What did she buy? So we look at the chart, there's raisins, a box of raisins costs 35 cents, and apples 25 cents. Granola bar is 45 cents and grilled cheese is 85 cents. So she bought how many items? 2, very good, 2 different items. And how much did she spend? 70 cents total. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to just add the first 2 together, raisins and apple, and see what I come up with. Okay? So here we go. If I add raisins and apple, I'm going to add 35 plus 25. Go to your scratch paper and write that down. 35 plus 25. That gives us 60. Good, 60 cents. That's too low. Well, let's try another combination. So now let's try the apple and the granola bar. I'm just going down the chart here. I'm going to start with raisins, apple. Now I'm going to go to apple, granola. On your paper, write 25 cents for the apple, 45 cents for the granola bar, and go ahead and add that up. And what do you get? You get 70 cents. Hey, that's the answer. She bought 2 different items. She spent exactly 70 cents. What did she buy? She bought an apple for 25 and a granola bar for 45. So let's write that on the line here. Apple 25, granola 45 for a total of 70 cents. Okay, one more. Here we go. Kira is thinking of 2 numbers. Their difference is 12 and their sum is 22. What are the numbers? So when they say the difference, it means if you subtract the 2 numbers together, you're going to get 12. And if you add them together, you're going to get 22. So this is definitely just a guess and check. We got to just start somewhere. So let's go to back to your scratch paper. Let's just try 11 and 11, because I know right off the bat, 11 and 11 is 22. That gives me the sum. So, but if I subtract 11 from 11, that gives me 0. That's not right. It's supposed to be 22 total, difference of 12. So that one's way off. But let's try another one. Let's go up now. Let's go up to 13. If I took 13 plus 9, that would give me 22. So that's right, but let's subtract 13 minus 9. What does that give me? 13 minus 9. That only gives me 4. So I'm getting the sum right, but the difference is way off. With 11, I had 0, and with 13, I had 4. So let's jump a little bit higher to a higher number. We're going to go from 11 to 13. Let's try 16. So what plus 16 would give you 22? 16 plus 6 gives us 22. Good. Now let's subtract 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 gives us 10. Well, we're getting closer. We're right on with the 22, and we're getting closer to the 12. So let's try one more. What do you think we should try? Let's try 17. What plus 17 gives us 22? 17 plus what? 5, very good. 17 plus 5 is 22, good. And what is 17 minus 5? 17 minus 5. That gives us 12. Hey, that's the answer. The numbers are 5 and 17. And right below it, let's write why. It's because 17 plus 5 equals 22. 17 minus 5 equals 12. And that's what we were looking for. A sum of 22, a difference of 12. Okay, those were some pretty tough problems, but by working through, guessing and checking, looking at our work and revising, we were able to solve them all. So I'm going to be coming on with one more page of these, and I will talk to you then. See you soon.